Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be creating shuku and base stitch cornrows for my beautiful clients. So let's get right into the video. So first of all, I section our hair into 5 parts. 4 parts for the shuku cornrows, and then the front part is for the base cornrows. So guys, just because I don't want this video to be too lengthy, I went off camera to make 3 cornrows already. So I'm going to be making the fourth one now. So while I'm making the fourth one, I'm going to be showing you how I created those tiny lines in between the cornrow. So I did show you how I mold, but I think I'll make it a detailed video on how to mold for your stitch cornrows. So I'm using my cotton comb to give it that those lines at the middle. That's exactly what I did, and that's what I'm going to be doing it until I get to the end of the cornrow. And I make sure that I braid firmly but gently to make sure that the style is comfortable and long lasting. At this stage, I'm going to be taking my time. Taking your time at this stage helps you to achieve a smooth finish. So guys, in order for me not to bore you with my voiceover, I'll just leave it to watch what I am doing so that you'll be able to get one or two from this video. Thank you. If you're just seeing this channel, you're welcome to the channel. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you at the end of the video. So guys, behind every perfect hairstyle there are struggles. So I saw that what I was making was not really giving me what I wanted, so I had to lose it and then start again. So another client came, so I left her to attend to that client. When I came back, I did not want to start delaying her with my videos, so I just went ahead to make sure that I finish her hair. I'll just make the last one on camera. So that's what I did. I made all the stitch off camera, and then I said I'm gonna show you the finishing. So I'm making this one right on camera. So guys, if you are still here, thank you very much for still sticking around. I hope you learn one or two from this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and last, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and become part of this amazing family. Guys, here is the final result: a neat and beautiful shuku stitch cornrows with a strong cornrow base. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair tutorials. Thank you, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.